Today, we're making a bold and comforting spicy seafood miso soup. Here's what you'll need: roasted seafood shells, vegetables, miso paste, chilies, and citrus. First, roast the shells until golden and fragrant. Sauté onion, garlic, ginger, and shallots to build flavor. Add the roasted shells, tomato, and paste for body and depth. Pour in dashi, add chilies and orange peel, then simmer for an hour. Blend lightly, then strain for a smooth, umami-rich broth. Whisk in spicy miso paste, then cook seafood until tender. Detailed recipe will be in description box. Serve hot with seafood, fresh chili, and a touch of citrus zest. A gourmet miso soup, bursting with spice, umami, and the ocean's best flavors. Subscribe and stay connected for the latest food trends. Thank you for watching.